In this video, I will unbox the June Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Look at this box. I will remind you that this is a monthly subscription for beauty products. You receive up to 7 products, sample size, full size, mostly it's sample size, and I pay for it €19, but it's with delivery from the UK to the Netherlands, so I think it's cheaper, something like 16. Let's open it. This time again I didn't receive the folder, but we will go along without it. The first product we receive is from L'Oréal Paris, and it's a heater-alcoholic hand gel. So basically that's a gel to make your hands clean without need of water, and you don't need to rinse it off. It's quite a big bottle for such a product. Normally it's twice as small just to put it in your purse, but this is quite big. Let's smell it. What? So while I open it, it splashes everywhere and it smells with alcohol. Later you don't smell anything, but first few seconds it's so strong alcohol smell. It's definitely a useful product in times of corona when we have to wash our hands as often as possible. Let's open it again and see if it will splash again. Didn't splash. Okay, it didn't splash. This product is from Rituals and it's made in the Netherlands. It belongs to the series of Ritual of Ying, and it's supposed to make you relax. It says that your path to inner peace is somehow connected with this product. So it has to have a very gentle smell. It smells with lotus and jojoba. That's what it says on the packaging. Of course it's a scrub because I immediately feel a lot of particles in my hands. I thought that my hands are dirty, but of course it's a scrub. It smells very gentle. Yeah, like it's supposed to, right? This gentle facial buffer is from So Eco, and this is an exfoliator for your face. It doesn't feel to me so gentle. You should just apply it to your face and it should gently exfoliate it. But as I mentioned, it doesn't feel so gentle to me. This product is developed in the UK and made in China, and it's made of cotton and flax, whatever it means. The next sample product is from Espa, and this is an eye moisturizer. Even though it's a product for eyes and it's supposed to be small, I think its sample size is very small, 7 ml. This product you should apply in the evening and or in the morning, and it's the first time I hear that you should apply an eye product not only underneath your eyes, but also starting from underneath your eyebrow and going in a circle motion around your eye. The next product is from Philip Kingsley Styling, and it's a hair product. It's a finishing touch and it's polishing serum. So you should just put a very small quantity to finish your hair routine. It does look like a serum for your face, would normally look like. Jelly, watery texture. It smells pleasant. Not that much of a smell. I think it also has some oily texture actually. Yeah, definitely. Watery, oily texture on my hand. But it's for your hair, so it's supposed to be like that, I guess. Next product is from Balance Me, and that's a cleanser for your face. It says it's pre and probiotic cleanser. The way you should use it is like any other cleanser, just apply on your face, including your eyes, to clean them and wash out with water. Let's smell it. It smells citrusy. I like the smell. Yes, I like the smell. I look forward to use this product. But also it's a cleansing product, so I kind of use it every morning and every evening, and I think I will need this bottle and I will use it to the end. The last product in this box is number 7, sample size, from Dr. Lip. But this product is not only for your lips, it's also for your cheeks or eyelids. It has no smell, but it has a tint. It has a reddish pigment. Well, let's just look. I already feel that there is very small amount of the product. This is how much I squeeze and still there is no product coming out. So this tube is kind of empty. You know, why not? Let's just put it on my cheeks as well. It's quite a sticky texture though. I will not put product like that on my cheeks because it's very sticky, like a lip gloss. No, definitely, I'll never do it on my cheeks again. Do you see any effect? Like any blush? Overall feeling, I don't like it. It's sticky like a lip gloss and it has no smell, it has no flavor, nothing special actually. It doesn't feel super good and I don't even know if it gives a beautiful tint to your lips. This box was filled with different kind of products, big diversity, sample size, full size. Some of them disappointed me, some of them are quite okay. What do you think about this box? Do you like it? Are you subscribed for Look Fantastic box? Anyway, I will see you in the next video and for now have a good day or night.